Hello friends, Namaskar dosto. Very warm welcome to the second part of Rainbow Learn to Use Series 2024. जैसे हम लोग का सेटअप एडवांस हुआ, स्ट्रेटेजीज एडवांस हुआ, we need a new Learn to Use series. The old one is looking more obsolete. So let's proceed. This is the Elan Markets. This is my page. Once you subscribe to the multi-asset trading with HD Rainbow Wave, you join the journey with me to this fountain of gold. ये जो वीडियो है, this is specifically strategy index to tell you about what are the strategies that will remain part or are part of this rainbow journey. So let's look at the strategy PDF. Just give me a moment. I think this is, I think I need better. Just give me a moment. What are the strategies that are covered? So I think broadly what are covered is what we have around 23 to 24 or probably 23 different strategies. अगर हम लोग जोड़े तो वैसे मैंने जोड़ा नहीं. If we add it up, we'll broadly see that 23 around different strategies that will be covered as part of this rainbow journey. Yeah, strategy PDF was there already. Sorry, it's my mistake. So here we have the category wise divided कि कौन सा strategies are part of this fountain of gold का जो journey है. I think it is big enough ताकि आप सब लोग देख सके. Cash stocks is the TMPV positional trading strategy. TMPV is one of the great strategy. Largely we play this in the weekly chart or we play in the weekly or daily chart combination. So एक बार देख लेते हैं what we need to create the TMPV strategy. The first one. So let's go to our charts. So let's remove everything from the chart so that we know from fresh. So this is the stock TMPV strategy, right? The stock TMPV strategy, when you are applying in say Morpen Laboratories, now you go to indicators, go to SD Rainbow Wave version 1. When it's asking it to apply, you select cash stocks weekly and apply. So when we are first, we will take a look at the stocks in the weekly chart. And we will need SDRSIX as well. Indicators, invite only SDRSIX. This is a momentum indicator. In addition to that, some people have also like to apply the SD Rainbow Momo, which is, sorry, indicators, SD Rainbow Momo, apply. This is another third indicator which can be applied though its reading is already available within the 12 factor. ST Momo, MT Momo and LT Momo. But if anyone wants to take a reference, this is a good time to take a reference. Okay, this is the fountain of gold setup. First in the weekly chart. Once we move to the daily chart, हम लोग strategy के बारे में बाद में जाएंगे. The setup we will need is cash stocks less than weekly. Now a new lower table is going to appear through which you can keep a look at different sectors, or if you don't want, you can switch off this lower table. So these are the only two setup that is required for this TMPV strategy. Also, since it is stocks, the rainbow volume indicator, if anyone wants to refer, once again, its reading is already available in the weekly setup. Let me check you to the weekly setup because weekly volume increase is more important. cash stocks weekly. So weekly setup, the volume match is included. So Morpen Laboratories is as per our setup. Since the buy signal, it is giving out an awesome kind of return. Morpen Laboratories. So let's go back once again to the strategy PDF. This is शॉर्ट टर्म स्विंग के लिए, ये हम लोग फ्यूचर में डिस्कस करेंगे मोर इन डिटेल. शॉर्ट टर्म क्रीम डेला क्रीम, ये क्रीम डेला क्रीम जो स्ट्रेटेजी है, इसके लिए हमें चाहिए फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप. नाउ अंडर क्रीम डेला क्रीम वी हैव कैश स्टॉक शॉर्ट टर्म स्विंग बाय, वी हैव कैश स्टॉक्स इंट्राडे बाय एंड सेल, we have stock futures short-term swing as well as intraday. All four are under cream de la cream, मतलब cream de la cream group of जो strategy है उसके basis. So ये cream de la cream के लिए जो टाइम फ्रेम हम लोग रेफर करते हैं, एक बार लाइव चार्ट में चलिए, देखते हैं क्रीम de la cream के लिए क्या चाहिए. क्रीम डेला क्रीम के लिए वी नीड द फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप. वी नीड द फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप. द रेफरेंस टाइम फ्रेम, बाद में जब हम लोग स्ट्रेटेजी डिस्कस करेंगे वी विल लर्न मोर. द फाउंटेन जो टाइम फ्रेम हमें चाहिए और रेफर करेंगे लार्जली वीकली टाइम फ्रेम, डेली 125 मिनट्स और 2 घंटे का चार्ट एंड 15 मिनट्स. सो ये जो 4 स्ट्रेटेजी है सबके लिए सेम नहीं है टाइम फ्रेम. सो 4 स्ट्रेटेजीज आर पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्रीम डेला क्रीम ग्रुप एंड द टाइम फ्रेम इज जो इसको हम लोग रेफर करते हैं वीकली, डेली, 125 एंड 15 मिनट्स. ऑब्वियसली generally 15 minutes आप लोग समझ पा रहे, it's for intraday trading. Next, in the cash we have IPO strategy. IPO strategy के लिए let's once again go back to the chart. For IPO strategy we do not need RSIX, we do not need the volume, we don't need the Momo, only this one, fountain of gold. You can switch off the tables and हम लोग रेफर करेंगे ये only alone chart is enough for the IPO strategy and this is के लिए हम लोग monthly chart को रेफर करते हैं for this strategy. Next we have commodity intraday and positional. कमोडिटी पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग के लिए हम लोग एसडी रेनबो एसेट मास्टर, लेट्स गो फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग अगेन, इंडिकेटर्स एसडी रेनबो वेब वर्जन 1. अंडर दैट सिलेक्ट कमोडिटी एंड अप्लाई. Let me go to my commodity chart, say copper. So positional trading के लिए हम लोग रेफर करते हैं डेली चार्ट एंड 125 मिनट्स या 2 घंटे का चार्ट भी ओके. सो 125 मिनट्स चार्ट में देखिए कॉपर का पार्शियल एग्जिट आ रहा है, टाइम टू टेक मनी होम, ब्यूटीफुल शॉर्ट का. सो कमोडिटी सेटअप में पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग के लिए हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं डेली एंड 125 मिनट्स चार्ट. नाउ कमोडिटी इंट्राडे के लिए कोई भी इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग बहुत नॉइजी होता है. व्हाइल फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप कैन बी वेरी हेल्पफुल, it also helps to look at the candlestick charts as well. So let's look at crude oil 15 minutes chart. कमोडिटी पोजिशनल के लिए हम लोग 15 मिनट चार्ट एंड 125 मिनट चार्ट इन दोनों का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. We'll refer from 125 minutes and we'll refer using 15 minute chart. And since it is intraday and more noisy, we can use candlesticks. Candlestick का हम लोग इस्तेमाल कर सकते. So I will divide the pane in two part. दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिए. One side I am keeping the fountain of gold chart. The other side asset master में जाके I'll select normal candlestick setup and I will switch on the original candles. Sorry, तो था ही यहाँ पे कैंडल और हाई कनाशी, whatever you feel. या तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will go to indicators, invite only, HD Rainbow Wave V2, उसके अंदर we can apply cloud basic and we'll switch off the asset master, we'll hide it. Now with cloud basic, you take the line chart and now you have a reference of, if you want candlestick, you have a reference of fountain of gold as well. I personally do not trade intraday much. Parijat does a lot. Parijat is associated with me, an excellent hard worker. So he's more into intraday. He guides more on the intraday. I largely go for positional trading on the upper time frames. Now let's go back to our strategy PDF. So commodity is there, currency intraday positional and RS long short strategy is also covered. Currency ke liye, let's once again close, make it single pane, and from the settings, instead of commodity, select forex or currency. तो यहाँ पे चेंजेस आ जाएंगे, आ गया है यूएसडी यूरो. सो ये जो नीचे का मीटर दिख रहा है, इट इज अ रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ मीटर. रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ मीटर है ये. दिस रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ मीटर विल बी वेरी वेरी यूजफुल, बहुत ही यूजफुल होगा in playing the relative strength pair trading strategy in currency. But it was built more looking at the Indian currency market, but currently trading in currencies from India is difficult. So soon I will more launch a specialized forex setup for international students, those who are trading forex. Now let's go back once again to our strategy PDF. We have index options also. Largely stock options कर सकते हैं with the setup, but due to stocks have higher risk in the options, largely I do not prefer to go with the stock option. So index option में we have debit strategies, मतलब buy करके खेलने का, and we have credit strategies, मतलब sell करने का as well. We have 3 on the call side, debit में, मतलब जिसमें प्रीमियम आपका डेबिट होगा, 3 bull call spread, 3 bear put spread, bear call spread and bull put spread. तो इसके लिए जो आपको चाहिए दिस सेटअप, ये हमारे ऑप्शन वीडियो देखते ही आपको मोर क्लैरिटी हो जाएगा. अभी करंटली हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, लेट मी रिमूव अगेन, इंडिकेटर्स HD Rainbow Wave version 1. उसमें फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड और नॉर्मल सेटअप रहने दीजिए. We will go to Nifty and we operate in 125 minutes chart in case of selling strategy. सेलिंग के लिए हम लोग 125 मिनट्स चार्ट ही प्रेफर करते या 2 घंटे का चार्ट भी ठीक है. So once V1 is applied, we'll go to indicators, invite only, we'll apply SD rainbow wave option as well. And option में सिलेक्ट करेंगे पहले क्रेडिट स्प्रेड. अगर क्रेडिट स्प्रेड कर we'll can select debit spread, but buying ka game is thoda different. It's not just you take a signal in the debit spread and you are done. So unless you are not sure, you can click the options and apply. And we will need the V2, and V2 के अंदर हमें चाहिए होगा रिस्क मास्टर. So एक चाहिए हमें V2 that will tell us about the ongoing risk. जैसे यहाँ पे दिखा रहा था, drawdown risk is high. If you can't see, I'll make it large. Drawdown risk high दिखा रहा था, and we are having a bit of drawdown. Final stage में Nifty में we had. So now risk master we need. We'll need the option, specialized option का जो setup है, and we will need SD rainbow wave V1 as well, which will guide us in our overall understanding what the indices are doing. तो ये रहे options. Let's go back to our strategy PDF. This is a special strategy allocator's edge. Obviously, this will be covered in class mode. इनके लिए जो टाइम फ्रेम है डेली एंड वीकली, एंड हम लोग जो सेटअप इनके लिए चाहिए, दैट इज ओनली द V1, एंड V1 के अंडर द फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड मदर होने से ही काम हो जाएगा. और ये सभी के लिए जैसे फोरेक्स, ये द फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड ऑप्शंस एंड इंटरनेशनल एसेट, सभी इसमें हम लोग RSI-X अप्लाई करते हैं, एक्सेप्ट जब हम लोग ऑप्शन में है RSI-X के अंदर ऑप्शन अप्लाई कर सकते. When we will be in option, we can apply the option में सेटअप as well. तो ब्रॉडली अगर देखा जाए within the rainbow setup, we are currently covering 4 under cash stocks, 2 stock future, 2 commodity side, so 8, and we have 311 on the currency. Index on the option side alone we have around 12, 23, and we have 3 more. So I was wrong, actually it's not 23, it's actually 26 different strategies are covered. So I think this video clears up what are the strategies one can expect. Strategies मतलब किस तरह हम लोग पैसा कमाने के लिए, obviously no one is going to apply all of them. Important journey, जैसे मैंने बोला, psychology important part. This is not somewhere we are collecting strategy. Rainbow is a multi-asset, multi-time frame, multi-strategy setup. So it has an opportunity to, you can test which asset class is suiting you, which methods are suiting you. So it's a very, very robust system of understanding. I hope this video was helpful to you. Agar helpful हुआ, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the best to all of you, and as always, happy trading.